How can I model these shaders easily and quickly? Looking for a tutorial to show you how to make contours in Rhino? Here's the right place to find. Today, I will explain to you how to use the contour command and use it to model these shaders. If you're interested in Rhino 3D or an architecture student, watch till the end, and you will be surprised. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. In this tutorial, I will model two types of shaders. First, I model flat and straight shaders on the facade. So I start with a planar surface. Then, by splitting the doors and entrance area, delete the extra surfaces. Time to use the important command on today's tutorial, contour. Pick the direction and set the distance between contours by number. When the contour is done, use extrude to make the contour solid to reach the final look of the shaders. Extrude again. This time use the extrude surface command. Just pick the right direction for the extrude. For the second part of this tutorial, I'm going to model shaders with the wavy effect. Use control point curves to draw cross-sections for different shapes. These cross-sections create the base of the wavy facade shaders. Use control point curves to draw cross-sections for different shapes. These cross-sections create the base of the wavy facade shaders. Next, use the loft command to create a wavy surface with the curves. Then, by splitting the doors and entrance area, delete the extra surfaces. Time to use the contour command to create the shaders. Then use extrude to make the contours solid to reach the final look of the shaders. Extrude again. This time use the extrude surface command. Just pick the right direction for the extrude. Select the back surface of the shaders. Then, by using set XYZ coordinates, align all the back surfaces in the Y direction. If you're looking to create different facade shaders for a building and have a different experience in modeling, you can try different distances and directions for contours. That's it for today's tutorial about contour and creating facade shaders in two different styles. If you like more of these tutorials, write a comment and tell me what you like more. I hope this helped you learn something new in Rhino. If you enjoyed it, just give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Mr. Rhino 3D. Thanks for watching.